This is the Violet floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, a versatile two-story design packed with sought-after features and function. The Violet is part of our Classic series with 3 to 5 bedrooms in almost 2,400 to over 2,800 square feet. When it comes to first impressions, the Violet is stunning. The combination of stone and brick, along with the architectural features, give this home great curb appeal. And there are 5 different elevations to choose from. As you enter the home, you're greeted by a large foyer. If you enter through the garage, there's a generous laundry room and mudroom. Right around the corner is the kitchen and family room, with 2-story ceiling, with an optional stone fireplace and tons of natural light from all the windows. And everything flows seamlessly into the kitchen with a large island, granite countertops, which are standard throughout the home, extra deep stainless steel sink and appliances, generous cabinets, and then there's the oversized pantry with tons of storage. You can dine at the island or enjoy gathering around the table in the breakfast nook with bench seating and oversized windows. Or head outside and enjoy a meal under the covered patio, another feature that's included at the base price in the Violet. The primary suite is the perfect retreat with a wall of windows and built-in window seat. Then there's the luxurious bathroom with a garden tub. The shower also has the option to be extended, and you'll love the oversized walk-in closet. At Bloomfield Homes, upgraded living is our standard. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. Upstairs, there are so many ways to personalize the Violet to fit your specific needs. There are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, as well as a game room with an overlook down to the family room. The Violet has the option to add a media room and an additional 4th bedroom with a bath. With so many upgrades and luxury elements built into the home, you can see why it's one of our most popular homes. Come visit one of our models and experience the Bloomfield difference.